In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a scene at the playhead in Google Vids. Now let's dive right into the process step by step to make sure you can follow along easily. First and foremost, we need to make our way over to Google Vids. This is a versatile platform provided by Google, specially designed for editing video content directly in your browser, making it accessible and straightforward to use for both beginners and seasoned video editors. Once you've arrived at the Google Vids homepage, the next step is to sign in. This is a crucial step because accessing your Google Vids projects requires you to be logged into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you're one step closer to accessing the amazing editing features Google Vids has to offer. After clicking the Sign In button, you'll be presented with a list of Google accounts. Here you must choose the account you intend to use for your video editing project. This might be your personal account or perhaps a work-related account if you're collaborating on a project with your team. Selecting your account will lead you directly into the Google Vids workspace, where all the magic happens. Now for the meat of today's tutorial, splitting a scene at the playhead. Once you're in the Google Vids workspace, navigate to the video project you want to edit. Within your project, you'll find your video timeline, which is where all your clips are displayed. This is also where you'll be making your edits. To find the specific scene you wish to split, you might need to play through your video or manually scrub through the timeline. Scrubbing through is simply done by clicking and dragging the playhead across the timeline. This allows you to quickly find the exact moment you're looking to split. Once you've identified this moment, pause the video, ensuring the playhead remains at this precise location. Remember, the playhead's position is crucial as it determines where your video will be split. Next, you'll need to access the editing options for the scene where your playhead is located. Look for the option labelled Scene. This might be represented as an icon or a text button, depending on the version of Google Vids you're using. Clicking on this will bring up a variety of editing options pertaining to the selected scene. Among these options, you'll find Split Scene at Playhead. Selecting this option will instantly split the video clip into two separate scenes right where the playhead stands. It's as simple as that. You've successfully split your scene and now you have two independent video segments to work with. This feature is incredibly useful for inserting transitions, adding new scenes in between, or simply removing unwanted portions of your video seamlessly. A few tips to remember: always make sure you're splitting the video at the right moment. Double check the playhead's position before making the split to avoid unnecessary edits or having to undo your actions. Additionally, after splitting the scene, you might want to label your new segments for easy identification, especially if you're working on a project with multiple scenes or cuts. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to split a scene at the playhead in Google Vids. This tool is incredibly versatile and can really enhance the quality and flow of your video projects. With a bit of practice, you'll be splitting scenes like a pro, making your projects look more polished and professional. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this video has been informative and helps you make the most out of your Google Vids project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with your projects using the tips you've learned today. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.